Okay, hello everyone. So I am going to show you or to demonstrate to you in how to create a karaoke using your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so first thing and foremost, you have to download your desired sound for your karaoke and you have to save it on your computer. Okay, so for me, I have saved my song on my desktop, so which is the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now we are now going to proceed to our slide. So you have, in order to create a new file, you have to create the file tab and then click the new and blank presentation. Okay, after that one, we're going to insert your sound. Okay, so you have to click the insert tab and find the audio symbol and click the audio on my PC. After that one, you have to find or locate your sound. And mine was located on my desktop. Okay, so on the playback tab, you have to click the play in background. And you can start by clicking the slideshow. Okay? Okay, so once you heard your sound, you can now proceed to your text or to your lyrics. Now, you are going to click the insert tab. After clicking the insert tab, you have to look for the text box and start typing for your lyrics. So for mine, the lyrics is the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, you can by increasing the size or changing the font style. Okay, let's say kini ang ako ang gi-click nga font style and then put it here. We're going to proceed now to our text effect so that it would look like a karaoke. So first, you have to highlight your text and then click the animation. And then click the add animation. So the effects that we're going to use are three. First is C, entrance effect, emphasis effect, and C, exit effect. Okay, so first we're going to use C, entrance effect, and appear. Okay, so now, proceed ta diri kang start. So, kini si on-click, i-change na to into with previews. And let's proceed to our next effect. Add animation and emphasis effects. Click the brush color. So, as you can see, it was, as you can see, so meaning na ay brush or na ay effect nga ni function. And then, let's click the animation pane in order for you to identify or to timing your lyrics or your text. So you are going to click the what do you call this one? The yellow star. So you have to make sure, of course, that everything was set into start with previews. Start with previews and start with previews. Okay? Again, click na to si yellow nga star and then click si timing. After clicking timing, you can now set your time by setting the duration and the seconds and the delay of your lyrics. So, let's say I'm going to put the 20 seconds delay and 12 seconds duration. You can change also the color of your brush color into something. So let's say blue. Okay, and then click OK. So importante gyapon nga i-change ninyo ang animate text and then delay between letters in order for you to timing also your lyrics. And click the OK. And then you can test now your slide. Okay, so as you can see, it was functioning already. Okay, so that's it. You can also add some designs or insert some images on your slide in order to look more attractive. Okay, so I think that's all. If you have some clarifications, don't hesitate to ask me on our designated group chats. Thank you.